How to transfer money from PayPal to your bank account instantly. Now, before we start, ensure your bank supports instant transfer and is linked to your PayPal account. If you want to link a bank account to your PayPal account, first of all, launch the PayPal application and log into your account. Once you're on your home page, tap on the wallet from the bottom right corner and then tap on Add New. From here, tap on Banks. After that, follow the screen instructions, provide your bank detail and link your bank to your PayPal account. Once you have done that, navigate to your home page. Under your home page, you will be able to view your amount in your PayPal account. So, tap on your amount or your PayPal balance. Once you have tapped on your PayPal balance, then tap on Transfer Money. Now, you have to choose Instant Transfer. For that, pick the Instant Transfer option where some amount of fees is applied and then select your linked bank account. After that, verify the transfer amount and bank details. Now, confirm the transactions. The funds should appear in your bank account within a minute. So that's how you can transfer money from PayPal to your bank account instantly. And that's all for today's video. Hope this video was helpful. If you're new to our channel, consider subscribing. Thanks for watching and stay tuned for more tutorials.